Hydrodynastes gigas, commonly known as the false water cobra, is a fascinating and often misunderstood species of rear-fanged snake native to South America, particularly Brazil, Paraguay, Bolivia, and northern Argentina. Its name comes from its ability to flatten its neck and body in a cobra-like display when threatened, a behavior that mimics true cobras of the genus Naja. Despite its dramatic appearance, Hydrodynastes gigas is not a true cobra, and one of the most frequently asked questions about this snake is whether or not it is venomous. The answer is both yes and no, and understanding why requires a closer look at snake biology, venom delivery systems, and the behavior of this unique species. Yes, Hydrodynastes gigas is mildly venomous, but the term venomous in this context can be misleading. Unlike true venomous snakes like cobras or vipers that have front-fanged, highly specialized venom delivery systems capable of delivering potent toxins quickly and efficiently, Hydrodynastes gigas is rear-fanged, opistoglyphous. This means its fangs are located at the back of the mouth, and it must chew on its prey to effectively introduce its venom. The venom of Hydrodynastes gigas is considered mild and is primarily used to subdue small prey, such as fish, amphibians, small mammals, and birds. It is not designed to kill or severely injure larger animals or humans. In most cases, a bite from this species in captivity results in nothing more than localized swelling, mild pain, and redness, symptoms similar to a bee sting or mosquito bite. However, reactions can vary depending on the individual and the circumstances of the bite, especially if the snake is allowed to chew for an extended period. Documented cases of medically significant bites from Hydrodynastes gigas are extremely rare. Most people who are bitten either mishandled the snake or kept it in captivity. Even then, the effects are usually minor. Some individuals may experience an allergic or localized immune response, including swelling, numbness, or minor tissue irritation, but no fatalities or serious envenomations have been reported from this species. It is important to note that while the venom is not dangerous to humans in most cases, any bite from a wild animal should be treated with caution. Proper hygiene, monitoring for allergic reactions, and seeking medical advice if symptoms worsen are always good practices after a bite. One of the most notable features of the false water cobra is its dramatic threat display. When frightened or cornered, Hydrodynastes gigas flattens its neck and upper body laterally, unlike true cobras, which expand their hoods vertically. It may also hiss loudly and lunge in a bluffing motion to intimidate potential predators. This behavior, while intimidating, is generally defensive rather than aggressive. False water cobras are not naturally prone to biting unless provoked or restrained. Due to their impressive size, they can grow over 2 meters or 6.5 feet in length. Intelligence, and attractive coloration, Hydrodynastes gigas has become increasingly popular among experienced reptile keepers. However, their rear-fanged venomous nature and large size make them unsuitable for beginners. Handling should be done with care and respect, especially during feeding or cleaning. Hydrodynastes gigas is technically mildly venomous, but not dangerous to humans under normal circumstances. Its venom is primarily used to subdue prey and is not potent enough to cause serious harm to people. Nevertheless, care should be taken when handling this species, especially in captivity, due to its rear-fanged anatomy and potential for a localized reaction. As with any wild or exotic animal, education, respect, and proper handling are essential for safe and rewarding interaction. Whether admired in the wild or cared for responsibly in captivity, the false water cobra remains one of the most captivating and misunderstood snakes in the world.